Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a shadow in a PNG image in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. I can see create shadow in PNG image. I can see then we show the PNG image. This PNG image in shadow. Now go to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option and click from drop shadow and opacity and distance and size. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see create shadow in PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video.